Sometimes we have data in columns and we want it to be in rows because it makes sense for it to be in rows or because our audience want to see it in rows. Sometimes the data is in columns and we want it to be in rows because it fits into another puzzle of data that's in rows. So you will always need to transpose data if you have this issue. So I will walk you through how to transpose data and play around with various functions that you could use to transpose data. There are multiple ways that you could do this same thing, but here are the few that I usually use. So I'll copy this, Control C. I want it to be in columns, so I will just right click. So transpose is a paste option and it's the fourth one here. So I'll just click that. So here is it's transposed. So another way to do this same thing is it's still copied, right? So I'll come over here and then I'll go to home. It's a paste option right here. It's transposed. So a third method to do this same thing is, since it's still copied, still on the clipboard, I could just do Alt ES and then here you'll see that is transposed right there. So that's another way of transposing data. So if I wanted to do quick formatting on one of this, it will just be here. Then I'll just fix the date. And the date formatting, Control-1 brings this menu out. So I want to pick that date format, the month and the year. And this is just currency, decimal place, and I want it to be in bracket. This is percentage. And I just want it to be in percent, one decimal place. So that was just quick formatting exercise right there for you. And I don't want any of that space to be up there, so I just drag it up there. So another piece is I have data on customers acquired and I want to know how much our company spent on acquiring each customer. So one piece is customers acquired, the other piece is marketing spending. So but the marketing spend data is here, which is this row here. But this is a row and I have this data in columns, right? So what I need to do is transpose this one into a column right there so that it will fit. So I'll copy the numbers right there, the market spend, and I'll come over here. I'll right click. That's one of the methods that I showed you earlier and transpose it. So the formula here is just saying we spent 2 million and we acquired 2,000 customers. So we spent $1,000 to acquire a single customer. So to break even, obviously we'll need to at least acquire or gain $1,000. And to gain an economy profit, we have to actually gain more than $1,000. So that's just basically how to use the transpose function. It helps a lot when you're trying to align various things.